Hello guys, this is Abdul with Abdul Tech Nation, and today's video we are going to be building a $300 gaming PC. You heard me, 300 budget, and it performs good. So let's roll the intro. Okay guys, so first right here we have the case. The case is a Roswell case. Not quite sure what model it is. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below so it can be easier for y'all to find the products. And yeah, this case was about 30 bucks. Um, it's a good cop. Not much to work with, but hey, you can store most of the cables in the back, and there's not really a glove compartment or so. But yeah, and let's go to the next item. The next item right here, it's the motherboard. It's basically the motherboard with the CPU and then the fan to cool it. This is the i5 2400, and this the motherboard is the Dell Optiplex. So yeah, and then it also came with the RAM. 2 gig. It had I believe 8 gigs. No, 4 gigs. I believe that's the one I got. No, it came with 8 gigs of RAM right here. So you just slap it on, and then I bought an extra 4 gigs, 2 sticks, and to make it 12 gigs, and 12 gigs is pretty good. I would recommend going 16, but if you don't got the money to spare for 16, 12 is just as fine. And yeah, let's drop into the storage device. We got an inland professional 120 gigabyte SSD. This is pretty enough to run your OS and probably a game or two that you like to play a lot, and not COD, okay, not no Call of Duty, because Call of Duty is a big file, and yeah, it should run your OS just fine. And then I also got a 2 terabyte hard drive, so you could put all your games, any game you want, like anything basically, into here, and then use the SSD for OS. And then right here, we got a 650 watt, 80 plus bronze Roswell power supply. And no, this didn't come with the case. I bought this separate. Well, I got it from a friend, and like he no longer needed it. But I'm gonna drop something similar down in the description down below, and down the down in the description below. Like, I would say it was probably like 50 just to be safe. And yeah, so you could really go with any bronze, gold, power supply. If you could find a gold for 50, that's great. But bronze you could find for 50, 40, but go with that. You could go with thermal take, but try not to go with the white. And if you do, hopefully that will hold you up long enough for you to upgrade, and enough of the power supply. And we're gonna get to the graphics card right here. Yeah, I got like 5 fans, minus you guys. I got I believe, yeah, 5 fans, and I'm gonna be putting in the case 2 up front, 2 up top, 1 in the back to get the best airflow, cause not much airflow going through here and stuff. Only the top is mesh, and the back has grills of the case. So yeah, and then I got some SSD, no, some SATA cables, I mean. And then we got some screws right here. And then right here is the champion of them all. I got this for 90 bucks. I would I would say it's a pretty good deal. 90 bucks for a RX 570. It's a pretty good deal, and it works 4 gigabytes. Pretty good. You could upgrade down the line later, but this is a $300 build, so just get this, and later down the line start saving up. And I have another build coming up soon, a $600 build, so stay tuned for that. and I would recommend building that. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Okay, guys, finally got the pins in, and the fans were giving me way too much headache. Finally got that done. Now let's boot it up and see. Come on. Let's boot. Everything's plugged in. Okay, guys, I got it to turn on. Let's get it. It's booting up. Just had to push in the what was it called? The PCI connector. Yeah, we should be good. No, we don't want that. Hold on, come on. Yep. I clicked F2. Dell output 790. Alright, come on. I'm not used to
Spike
that.
planted.
So yeah. But let's get this video.
Many enemies spotted.
Let's at least get a kill.
Quiet now.
Bunch of guys here. Careful now.
Oh wow, and then we die. Next
One
round,
enemy remaining.
next round we're gonna get a kill for sure. Clutch. Alright, and let's get a better gun. Let's go sniping. Get that gun. Oh yeah, we also need shield. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Don't hold back.
Alright.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
We got a kill. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Punch us in the teeth, we spit back blood.
True. Boom. Alright. Let's do one more round and we're going to switch to the scepter monitor. So yeah, hopefully we can get more kills with this monitor.
They've got nerve.
Reloading.
Yeah, I missed so many shots.
Enemy spotted.
Get him. Alright, now guys, I'm gonna switch to the scepter monitor and I'll be right back.